What's up, y'all? Jake Ketterer here with Ketterer Homes. And if you do not know what Ketterer Homes is, I am about to explain. My wife is Sarah Ketterer, and she is a local realtor here in the great city of Chattanooga in the great state of Tennessee. And I do our investments. We have purchased properties that I have renovated and we have flipped, but we have also purchased properties over the years that we have kept for rentals and Airbnbs. So we have Airbnbs in Chattanooga and in Knoxville. If you look behind me, this is our new kitchen. Our kitchen did not look this way up until 2025 of November, the day before Thanksgiving. Our home is the hub for our family we host, and it's also a place that we love to have friends and events and parties, and even bring our clients to. The day we moved in here, I would say 9 years ago, it was not the kitchen that we needed then, and it did not look the way that we wanted. Over the years, we slowly were like, hey, we need to renovate this kitchen. We have outgrown this kitchen 3 times. Today, we have 2 grandbabies, and just do the math on that. It was not a functional kitchen in the first place. That was the big thing. And then the way it looked, saying that, we made the decision to renovate this kitchen, to make it different, but also functional and will withstand time. So God bless you. Go Vols. Let's not even talk about the Vols right now. I love them. They need help. They need some defense. I'm talking too much. Let's move forward and let me show you what I did to create this beautiful kitchen that I get to wake up and go to sleep to every day, and made my wife super, super happy. If you're looking to buy or sell, reach out to Sarah Ketterer here in Chattanooga, Tennessee, or even in Georgia, and she'll help you find a home or sell. Please subscribe to our Ketterer Homes channel. Give us a thumbs up and hit that bell so when we do produce some new content and put it on this channel, you'll be the first one to see it. All right, God bless you. See you around.